Hey guys, how's it going? So, I just want to make a quick video today, more so just testing out the new Rode wireless mics I got, because my audio has been pretty terrible in some of these videos, and if I really want to keep up with it, I definitely want to get some better equipment and sound right. But anyways, so I want to talk a little bit about the channel, the goals that I have, and some videos that I want to make here coming up. First off, obviously, this is my 2017 ND Miata. It is an ND1. Picked up for basically a good steal of why you guys are asking, why'd you get an ND1? I've got all sorts of plans for this. Honestly, I don't know if I want to call it luckily, but it is a rebuilt title. So honestly, I have no problem really cutting into this thing and turning it into something epic, just like my last build. We'll see how everything goes. So coming up here in the next couple of videos, I know one I would like to do is the MX-5 Global Cup Car livery that I had previously done before, except I did it in like a matte black over this, which also looked great in person, but it's really hard to show people what the livery looks like when you really can't see it in pictures. So I'm doing like a nice silver and red, and I believe this should be the next video I'm going to be doing. I've got some other installation videos I want to do, such as door card installations, as well as more banners and other vinyl graphics. Let's see. I do plan on taking off the front bumper here pretty soon as I get just a few more parts in. So far I've got some different LED little side markers here. I'm going to be installing some daytime running lights. The car, when it was rebuilt, came with like the stock sport mode ones that just had just a light inside, and they don't look that great. So I was able to find a nice pair of DRLs for a good price. Other things I plan on doing, down the road I plan on wrapping the car. Let me go grab that. So I had this roll of vinyl, right? I had it for the NA, and I plan on doing a quick color change. That was like the next step. So I've had this beautiful teal vinyl in, and plan on wrapping that. So in conclusion, definitely quite a few more installation projects coming down the line. I would like to focus on a lot of my vinyl projects I'm working on, some new products I'm coming out with. I know another one I have, I plan on wrapping my toolbox. I like to offer toolbox wraps. Yeah, that should be pretty cool. And I also have a friend local that just came out with a Honda Moto Compacto, right? Those little suitcase bikes. And I've got a whole bunch of wrap designs for those I've already published on the website. And they've been really popular so far, so I can't wait till we get those in and start doing some more videos on those. So I'll leave that here, and stay tuned for more videos. If there's something you'd like to see, let me know.